All right, first grade friends, today we are wrapping up what we've been talking about with silent letters. I want to first start off by saying there are a ton of other consonant pairs that make a silent letter, but these were the ones we were choosing to focus on this week. Remember, we've talked about KN, where the K stays silent, B, and we've kind of associated that with M, where the B is the silent letter, WR, where that's right, the W is silent, and GN, where the G is silent. Today we're actually going to kind of work backwards because I know you're up for the challenge. And I'm going to show you a picture that doesn't have one of these patterns on it. We have to figure out from the picture what silent letter combination it's trying to get us to come up with. So we really have to use what we know to think backwards. That may sound kind of confusing, but when I show you the first one, I know you're going to nail it. Okay, so here is our first picture. It's giving us the ending sound, N-ch. What is that a picture of? Oh, it's a wrench. So what silent letter combination would I put at the beginning in order to conclude the word wrench? Probably the W-R, because the W stays silent and I can hear the R sound. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. Let's try another one together. Are you seeing the pattern here? All right, I see ak. What is that a picture of? Oh, knock, like you knock on a door. What silent letter combination would make the N sound at the beginning? Would it be K-N, B, W-R, or G-N? I think it would be K-N. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here. All right, let's try this one. That is a picture of a baby sheep. What is a baby sheep called? A lamb. Now, I don't know if you've noticed this yet, but this silent letter combination typically comes at the end of the word. What do we think? That's right, it's B. And I would combine that with an M to make the silent B, or that silent M sound. B. Lamb. Let's try one last one together. You might not know what this is. Maybe you do from the movie Romeo and Juliet. But this is something that people sometimes have in their gardens or their yard. And it just is kind of like a lawn ornament. But we would call this a gnome. Where do we think this guy might go? K-N, silent B, silent W for W-R, or silent G for G-N? I think you figured out the pattern. It would go in G-N because that's the only one we hadn't done an example of. Well, we're going to rapid fire through these ones, and you're going to tell me, you're just going to yell out, maybe not too loud because there's probably other people working. You're going to tell me what letter, silent letter combination you think would go with these words. This is a doorknob. What do you think? That's right, K-N. This is a wrist. That's right, W-R. And this is a comb. That's right, N-B. Today, you're going to be doing what you've been doing, sorting those words, and then don't forget to press that microphone button so that we can hear you reading the words. I also think today you're going to be color coding some things, but make sure to listen and follow the directions.